The next problem that we're going to look at is gross income, deductions, net income. So this time the gross net income is $1,493.54. I'm looking for my deductions, and I have my net income, $1,118.16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my paper and I'm going to draw my model. This time I'm going to make my model a little bit bigger so I don't have to write so tiny. Alright, remember gross goes on top, deductions, net. Split it in half. Fill in the pieces that you know. We know the gross is $1,493.54. We know that the net is $1,118.16. That leaves me finding the deductions. So I have to think to myself, first of all, these are unequal groups, so my only choices would be adding or subtracting. And if I know the total and I have part of that total, what else will give me the information to get that total? That's right, we're going to subtract to figure that out. So now we're going to slide these pieces of information over. We have $1,493.54 on top because it's the larger amount. We're going to put $1,118, $18.16. And now that I have everything lined up, place value wise, I'm ready to subtract. 4 minus 6. Well, I can't do that because if I need 6 and I only have 4, I don't have enough to take away. So we have to go next door, cross out the 5 and make that a 4 and bring over 10 hundredths, which makes this 14 hundredths. 14 hundredths minus 6 hundredths is 8 hundredths. 4 tenths minus 1 tenth is 3 tenths. 3 minus 8, well, that can't happen either, so I have to go next door and get some more. So I bring over 10 to make this 13. 13 minus 8, well, if I count up, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that would be 5. 8 minus 1, well, that would give me 7. 4 minus 1 is going to give me 3. And of course, 1 minus 1 is nothing. So my answer is $375.38. So I'm going to go back to my paper. I'm going to carefully write that down. $375.38. Okay, boys and girls, we have one more. This time, I'm looking for the gross. And I have the deductions, and I have the net. So I'll see you back in the next video for the last problem that we're going to solve together.